Hey guys, it's Risa. How are you? I'm not at home. I'm at work and I'm going to show you a what's for lunch option, okay? Because having things and preparing is key. So what did I make? I made a delicious bean salad. The thing about bean salads are they're versatile, and you can check out my recipes, all right, for different options. And I'm going to show you what I made. So I had a large bowl that I've had for several days, and then I have some in a bowl to eat. I just gave my principal some too, and I still have enough for tomorrow. So I took a can of chickpeas, and I took different peppers, broccoli, whatever kind of onion. If you like onion, you don't like onion, you don't have to use onion. And broccoli and some little cherry or grape tomatoes. And I like it very colorful because you eat with your eyes, all right? And then I made a delicious little salad dressing with some Dijon mustard. You can check out my recipe for different dressing. And I put in some white wine vinegar, and I put in some lemon, and it was a lemon pepper that I put in this time, and of course some olive oil. So you have to check your nutritional ingredients. I made a bunch of it, so I tripled the recipe, so it's like 9 smart points. I still have a lot left. And what I like to do is cut up some lemon wedges and put it on my salad. So I like to do that. And when you do that, you use less dressing. I know. The other thing that I took was a can of tuna, and I'm having this over a couple of days. I mean, obviously on Freestyle, you can have more protein. I put in a little bit of mayonnaise because I love it, and I put some celery and onion in it because I like flavor, and lots of pepper. That's my favorite. A little bit of light mayonnaise if you want or not, because I eat it on the side. But if you're adding it to your meal with your chickpea salad or whatever bean salad that you like, then you're using another dressing. You don't need to add extra fats to it. But healthy fats are okay when you're using olive oil, and a little bit of mayo isn't going to hurt anybody. I use the Hillman's Light. I love it. Of course, I have my water. All right. Make sure you're getting in your water, and I'm going to do a video about water as well. So I hope this video is helpful. You can use any protein you want. Shrimp would be good. Chicken, you can have it just like that. Tofu would be good. Some hard-boiled eggs would be good. Turkey meat would be good. So you can shake things up, use different types of beans and different kinds of veggies to make it exciting and interesting, okay? So my new channel, Risa's Recipes. Love you guys. Subscribe, hit the bell option, the like, and please share with everybody because I'm here to help. And like I said, I have lots of podcasts that I'm going to be doing, favorite recipes, and hopefully a cookbook soon for you guys that know me. I'm going to do one soon, I promise. All my recipes are written under each video, so remember that too. Love you, take care, and stay on track, and meal prep and meal plan because it's key. Mwah. Bye for now. Enjoy your lunch or have it as dinner. Why not? Take care, guys. Bye-bye for now.